Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in the this 2017 Ford Focus. The first thing we do is make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth's on there. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I just meant to scroll up. So we'll look at the bottom here. On the actual unit itself, you can do it two ways. The easiest way, click on phone. Sorry, first of all, if I go to navigation, if there's nothing showing, we'll just wait for it to go off. There you go, the controls are, if there's nothing showing, you just go to controls there, click controls, the bottom menu comes up, click phone, and you've got pair phone, click pair phone.
And select it once it is found.
So Ford Focus, it's showing there, but I'm going to click Discover Bluetooth Devices.
One of the devices found by sync.
Until it shows that the unit's picked my phone up. My phone had picked the unit up, but the unit hadn't picked the phone up. It always pairs better this way. So click Barry's iPhone. We'll watch for it coming. There you go.
Displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So 352575, yes, pair, and click yes there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I'll do it today.
For safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
I don't want it to download my contacts, otherwise it'll take too long. But that's it. Ford Focus, that's it, connected.